shout out to Katie, love you sister. She gave me this idea to do my hair care routine in updated version because it's been a while since I've done it. I'm in a bikini top. I didn't want to ruin one of my sports bras just to be in the shower. So I have a bikini top. Why do I have a bikini top? Because we're doing a motherfucking hair care routine. That's on period. It always hits me at some point. My forehead is really big and it's really hot. God damn it. Phenomenal. Like, oh my god. Okay. Oh, that hurt. Ow. What is up, y'all? It's your girl. We are doing an updated hair care routine. I haven't washed my hair. I haven't conditioned my hair in 2 days. Just 2 days. Okay, so I'll just show y'all what it fucking looks like. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, that hurt. Ow. This is just 2 days. I don't know why it looks like this, but my hair is very difficult, as you can see. Do I want to wash my hair? Yeah, we're gonna do the whole hair care routine today because I haven't washed my hair in a few days. It's been like since Sunday. Don't come for me. Let me explain. My hair type is not compatible with washing my hair every day. Washing my hair every day dries out my scalp and makes my head very itchy, extremely itchy. Like, I'm touching my hair now and it feels, I don't know how it feels, to be completely honest with you, but yeah, I guess we're gonna wash our hair. I actually need a shower because I went outside today for the first time in 2 days because I had to go return a package. And what else did I have to do today? I went to Albertsons to buy the package return because I wanted to get some lettuce and some spinach. So why are you leaking, girl? I don't get it. So how's everybody's day? How are you doing? I've been doing okay. It's spring break right now. It's Thursday and I'm doing okay. I have been just chilling out, actually enjoying a time off a little bit. Not really, because I've been doing homework as well, because my teachers decided to make things due on Monday. This upcoming Monday. Why? I don't know. I have been just in a slump lately, not really wanting to do anything creativity wise. Probably because school has me stressed and school is just really annoying right now, but I'm still gonna get the degree because I want the degree. I only have a year left. That's why I haven't been making weekly videos. It's been really hard for me to keep up with it because I feel like all the videos that I would make, it came out really shitty, or I just haven't had the motivation to actually get up and do it. Like, I made 2 videos last week and I didn't like the way that it came out. I was super disappointed. So we're gonna do it again. And I think it's just that my creative slump has just hit me really hard. It always hits me at some point. My forehead is really big and it's really hot. God damn it. Okay, so what the fuck? Okay, my hair is wet now. I don't know why that shower was being super weak all of a sudden, but first I usually condition my hair. For my hair, I have to condition my hair. I use the Suave leave-in conditioner. Y'all should already know I've been using this conditioner for about 2 years now. It is literally my holy grail. Oh, right in the mouth. I just do it. I don't do it nicely, honestly. I'm gonna be real. We don't do it nicely in these streets. For good reason, of course. What I like to do is I split my hair in half. I put this hair up. I grab this side, and then I split her in half. Lately, I have been using this wide mouth, I don't know, this comb. So what I do is, when I brush it, I brush it from the ends up. During this step, I don't use as much conditioner because I immediately brush it after. If I use a lot of conditioner, I let it sit in my hair for a little bit as I'm washing my body and everything, which is what I'm probably gonna do. So this is the brushed hair, this is the non-brushed hair. You can kind of tell the difference. This one's a little bit more poofy, this one's a little bit more long. It's giving me Beyonce sister vibes. But I'm gonna put this hair out now. Put it in a bun this time. Okay, the hair is rinsed off. There's so much hair on me. Now it is time to shampoo. I use the Suave Professional Sulfate-Free Cleansing Shampoo. This one, it's the pack. I use a shampoo. I don't shampoo my hair often because, as I said, it dries out my scalp, and I don't use a lot of shampoo also. I don't know how to properly wash my hair, to be completely honest with you. I just do my roots. I only wash my roots, and I don't wash it for a very long time because my hair is very weird, and if I have shampoo in my hair too long, it starts feeling very brittle. Now the shampooing is done. We're going to condition again, but this time it's going to be a little bit different. I take the same conditioner, the Suave Professionals conditioner, actually on the top. I take this big of amount. When I do this, I only do the roots because I'm squeezing out the excess water at the base of my hair because I put my hair up. And I let it sit because now I'm actually going to shower now. So I will see you after I'm done showering. What the fuck? Okay, so I finished showering. Let me bring you down. Now it is time to do everything else. I actually, when I dry my hair, I use a regular towel. I know you're not supposed to use a regular towel, but I do anyway because, I don't know, I feel like the other towels don't really make a difference for me. It actually knots my hair faster. Not with that. This is my hair dry, no product in it. It looks pretty good. But now we add everything else. So I split my hair in half again. Just really quickly. And then I actually, scrunchies. I use scrunchies when my hair is out. Like this, at least, when I'm doing my hair. Because it's just easier to pull out. And it doesn't hurt my hair as much. I'm gonna take this side. Split it up in half again. I'm gonna take this part, clip it. So I take this part first. It's still a little bit knotted. So I take the Suave Natural Shea Butter Nourish and Strengthen Leave-In Conditioner. Y'all already know I really do fuck with this all the fucking time. And I take, since my hair is split up, I take like a little bit at a time because I also do put another product in my hair. And I just finger it through. I take a little bit more and I actually just do the ends because since my ends aren't fully cut, like the dead hair, isn't fully cut, I focus on the ends the most. So I use Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls, specifically this one. I used to use this in my hair all the time, and I take a little bit at a time, like I said. Like, you see how easy it is for me to finger my hair right now? This usually, when I was a kid, this never happened. Ever. And I can feel my fingers, and there's not a lot of hair on it. The breakage isn't as serious as it used to be, which is good. And that's pretty much what I do for all parts of my hair. This is my hair with product in it. It's still kind of long, but you can kind of tell that the shrinkage is slowly getting there, because when I did do it, it was about right here. Now it's slowly shrinking up. Never in my life did I think my hair would actually get this curly. So I think I'm gonna end the video right here. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this hair care routine, this updated routine. Yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button, because we're gonna try getting back into that weekly routine. I just really need to get out of this rut, but I think today's a good day. I will try to see you guys next week with a new motherfucking video, bitch. And I'm gonna go finish my hair care routine and put lotion on my legs, because they're getting a little dry and they're getting a little ashy, and I gotta put this up in my hair before my hair acts full. So I'm gonna go, and I'll see you guys next week. I slapped you. Bye bye.